Hello, doctors, clinic owners, hospital owners, diagnostic lab owners. Do you want to take your business to next level? Today we are going to talk about this amazing feature within your Google business profile which can help you get more patients, get more engagement and more booking and appointments with your existing patients. So, if you want to see you can have this feature within your website and you can implement in your existing Google business profile. You can see over here this hospital has included this feature, so you can also have similar feature for your website where you can give a immersive and realistic real-time view. It's not sorry real time, but it is a more of a realistic view for your hospital or any healthcare setup where the patient can actually experience what all facilities do you have, how clean is your hospital setup or your laboratory, what all facilities are available there. So you can showcase with the help of this technology. You can showcase different floors, different wards, your facilities, OT section, your consultation rooms, right? You can show in a more immersive way. So the technology is advancing day by day, and it's high time you use the same technology within your hospital setup also. And believe me, it's not going to cost much also. With the kind of experience you will be providing to your patients and the kind of business results you will generate for your patients, you can see another hospital setup where they have also provided this immersive experience for their patients. It's a 3D view, and you will definitely appreciate the clarity and the cleanliness. Imagine if you are a patient and if you are visiting this profile, you are definitely more likely to visit this kind of hospital setup, right? So you can see over here they have used this kind of immersive technology, and I wish you also use it for yourself. See this dental clinic, they have amazingly used this feature for themselves. They are showcasing their clinic, the interior of their clinics, right? So check this another hospital setup. Wow, this is really amazing. If you are able to showcase this to your patients, why they will not visit you? So if you want to know more about this and how this can help in your healthcare business, so we'll be understanding in today's episode. So today's episode is going to be very much detailed. It will clarify all your doubts. So if you want to know and if you want to grow your hospital or your healthcare business to next level, watch today's episode till then. So that's all, and we'll get started with our special guest today who will provide us more detailed information on this. Are you a doctor or you are into healthcare business? Then today's episode is going to be very useful for your business. If you are looking to grow your business online, if you are planning to get more patient inquiries, more customers inquiries through Google, then watch today's episode till the end, because today I'm here with a very secret and very special tool for you which can help you to grow your business. And this is not something new, it is already present with you. If you are already using Google Business Profile, then it can help your business to take to your next level. So we are going to discuss about that secret tool today. But before that, let me share you something with you. So if you already have Google Business Profile and if you implement 360 virtual views, we will be discussing about that in a short while. But let me tell you about this virtual 360 views. If you implement this feature or integrate this into your Google Business Profile, your virtual tours are twice likely to generate the interest for your business, and they are 78% more likely to view and have a trust with your business, and they are 29% of the time they are going to buy from your business just because of implementing this feature. And the prospects, they are 130% more likely to book an appointment with your business, with your clinic, with your hospital, or they are going to buy from your healthcare business. Not only this, it is going to help your website also, in which they are more likely to wait, visit your website 5 to 10 times longer, and it is going to help your decision making process also. With this, we'll start today's session, and today we have a special guest who are experts into this virtual 360 views. So, I welcome you all to talk about this virtual 360 feature in Google Business. So, can you guys tell me about yourself and your experience with this 360 virtual features? Shabrish, go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, myself Shabrish. I'm Lakshmi Prithviraj. We are starting our business is 2017. Nearly we completed 500 plus Google virtual tours in big business and small business. We have views around like 114 million views. We have done plenty of sectors, like not only particular to specific sector. So Google Virtual 360 is helpful for each and every who is having business, who is having profile in Google Maps. They can do Google Virtual Tours. And we have enormous experience into Google Virtual Tour from past 7 years, and we have done plenty of monumental places, historic places, many major brands, businesses for virtual tours. So it helps them to grow their revenue in their branding point of view. In all aspects, Google Virtual Tour 360 will help to them.
So thank you, Shabrish, for your brief introduction and the work you have done. And I'm sure that today's episode is definitely going to help our audience, which is majorly doctors, hospital, clinics, and the healthcare businesses, diagnostic lab. So, as you mentioned, it is applicable for all the business, but we'll try to restrict our discussion today for this healthcare industry. So, Shabrish, begin with, can you tell us something about this 360 views or Google Virtual Tour? What is this exactly?
So Google has introduced a new thing called 360 Virtual Tour. So what exactly it is, like, if you want to feel the without going to the property or without going to the hospital, without going to the clinic, you can feel that presence, like what is the equipment inside the hospital, how it looks like from starts to end, from frame to frame, you can see in virtual tour.
Okay.
So you can see, like, suppose any clinic or example, what are the equipments they are using, how hygiene they are, like where is the reception, where is the diagnostic center, like where is the pharmacy, and which sectors, which categories, like where is the doctor room, where is the parking area, where is the canteen, like from each and every aspect, each and every frame you can see through virtual tour.
Okay. Yeah. So, Shabrish, what I understand is definitely a kind of tour to the hospital or clinic or in diagnostic lab. So, sitting at your home, I think the user can access it
from your phone, from your laptop. You can click away from visiting the, viewing the place, entire place in your hands.
Right. So I clearly see that it's a kind of a next generation or a high-end technology tool. But can you tell us, like, how it is going to help any doctor or a clinic or any hospital, diagnostic lab or any healthcare business, how it will help this kind of people?
So Google 360 will help especially clinics or diagnostic center or healthcare business point of view, how advanced equipment the clinic is using, the hospital is using, what are the latest advanced technologies, how hygiene the hospital is, how they are handling the premises of the hospital. Yeah, so pin to pin, like exactly they can see, like what people exactly, the patients will see what is there any equipment with this hospital. Usually all the clinics not having all the facilities in their hospital, they'll write diagnostic center, like any MRI CT to the other hospital. So before that, like people will select, like, is there any all the equipments in this hospital or not.
Okay. So even before the patient or the consumer visits the hospital or clinic, they will come to
They
know
can
about
see
what facilities are present in the hospital. Uh,
exactly.
so that's a definitely a great feature. So what do you think, like in within healthcare industry, who all should use this feature within healthcare industry?
As I told you earlier, like there is no specific segment of like only this business will use, only this business. Each and every healthcare business can use, like coming to diagnostic centers, pharmacies, hospitals, clinics. Every business into healthcare industry, they can use this future to get to the visibility to the patients. For example, another hospital is Visakhapatnam.
Yeah. So that's a very interesting thing. But still, do you think are there any particular businesses which you this they should should not use this feature? Maybe is it applicable for small clinics also? They
Yes, yes,
also
yes, yes. For every clinic, like who is having a business, even in 10 by 10 square feet, if you have run a business, also helpful to that.
okay.
We can
And
do 360-degree for that as well.
okay, okay, fine, fine, great. And how this 360 degree tour feature will improve the patient trust or engagement with the hospital or clinic?
As I told you, like if someone is searching, like if someone is searching general physician, they'll go to Google Maps and either Google Maps or Google, they'll search general physician near me. Once they enter into the Google Maps profile, they will see the equipment, like what are the equipments, how hygiene are they, or any particular surgery if you are doing, like all those facilities, specific facilities are there in that. They can see in virtual to 360 degrees.
Okay, okay. And are there any particular requirements for creating this 360 view or virtual
Uh,
from the
Specific requirements, there's
customer?
no specific requirements. Any clinic can use this. Like only particular, as I told you, square to square, like within 10 feet, also having, or any larger hospitals, larger clinics, inclusive diagnostic centers. Also, we can do, like there is no specific requirements for that. Like only particular segment or only particular point of view people need to do 360.
Okay. And what I understand, you have worked with multiple businesses. So what is the typical process for scheduling this photo shoot and preparation? What is that required from the customer side?
Uh, the premises should be clean. Like this is a one time activity, so we can't do every month. This is not a recurring process, we need to do one time. So make sure the clinic or hospital or diagnostic center to cleanly, like everything, like from how they are maintaining the hygiene or quality should be in a process way that we will come and we will shoot the entire 360 degrees.
And can this be directly integrated into website or it's only applicable for just Google Business Profile?
No. We can integrate in the Google Maps, and even many of the business owners are using via that 360-degree link in the visiting card also. The QR code will be there. If they scan, they can directly, it will take to the virtual 360-degree. And even in the website also, we can integrate like the floor wise, first floor, second floor, third floor. What are the facilities are there in the first, fourth floor? What are the facilities in the third floor? What are the facilities in the second floor? And the entire thing we can integrate in the website as well. And coming to social media profiles, we can make reels like Instagram videos or short form videos, the 360-degree, like what are the facilities we are using in that. ఎక్కడైనా ఎంబెడెడ్ లింక్స్ ఇస్తాము ఆ ఎంబెడెడ్ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేయగానే మ్యాప్స్ లో రివర్ట్ అవుతుంది. Yeah, we will integrate that in the website itself, so directly it will take to the 360-degree. Apart from that, we will give you some links if someone wants to, any patient directly, even in the WhatsApp catalog business also we can integrate that. Like people before coming, they can see the 360-degree virtual tour as well. And if someone wants to see specifically, they can send this link to them as well. And if any certification or any and some certifications will be there in the hospitals, right? If they want to apply also, they need some procedures, right? For that, like they can show this 360-degree. We have this equipment. We are integrated. We are like this one. So in that also, it will be helpful. For the social media point of view, through reels or Instagram videos, we can do that.
Okay. And what about like whenever you are doing this shooting or photo shoot, How do you maintain patient privacy and confidentiality during this virtual tour?
While if any confidentiality, if the clinic or hospital don't want to record or any particular area, we can skip that area. If not, like any surgeries or anything happening, like our patients will be there, which we can't move, we can blur those faces or blur those images or blur those areas. If anything particularly clinic don't want to show or don't want to see to the customer point of view and the patient point of view, we can blur that. If not, we can skip that as well.
Okay. So you have worked with different hospitals and clinics also, what I see from your
Yeah.
profile. So can you tell us, like maybe from Google, there can be sometimes restrictions. So
Yeah.
are there any certain kind of restrictions from the Google side?
Yeah.
Which areas can be included, which areas cannot be shoot? So for a typical hospital, what do you think, which areas can be included in this virtual tour?
Each and as I told you, each and every frame we can include, but while doing blood marks will not be shown in the Google Maps 360. Blood marks are doing any surgery kind of things are like wherever you see the blood mark, it will not, Google will not accept that blood samples or blood marks in the.
Okay. And how do you handle those areas where, let's say, some doctor says that I do not want to show this area of hospital in my Google view. So what do you do in that case?
We can skip that. We will not record also that. We will not take the photo shoot of that area at all. So there is no point that it's completely into the hospital or doctor hands, like whichever the area they want, whichever the area they don't want. It's completely fine. Like it's in their control completely. We will not show, we will not record to that as
well. Okay. And typically, like start to end, how much time does it take for the complete process?
It depends on the square feet of the hospital, how big the hospital is. On an average, it from half day to 1.5 days it will take. It depends on the hospital, how many floors, how much space per square foot it's available based on the time takes. But usually half day to 1.5 days.
Okay. And like once that shooting or the recording is done, after that post production, how do you handle that editing or any particular or specific changes or any request by the customer? How do you handle that?
Usually it will not happen. Whatever we do before uh, posting only we need to see. So we will take approval from you like once this is happening. Like, but usually it's in Google's hands, like what to show, what not to show. Like it's completely. So post production editing will be taken care by ourselves only. So once it's get ready, we will send you the link. So doctor before posting, we can see the entire premises, like how it's shown to the customers.
Okay, got that, got that. And what is the quality or resolution of the images in the virtual tour?
All the entire end-to-end frame-to-frame HD visuals will come into the hospital. Each and every frame, it will be in HD, and we are using very advanced technology. People usually, I mean, the other 360 virtual tour people will use 360-degree camera, some low quality images. There are some certain guidelines given by Google for us, like not only for us, for the all virtual tour 360 companies. You have to follow these guidelines. Like for every 3 feet, we have to take 360-degree virtual tour. So we follow each and every point mentioned by Google. That's our secret sauce, and that's our difference from other 360-degree virtual.
Inside area 3 meters, outside area 10 feet.
So inside area we need to shoot from 3 meters, and outside area 10 meters. So we'll follow the guidelines exactly what Google has given to us.
Okay, okay. So because I have also come across many businesses which provide this kind of feature at very lower cost.
That's
so
the
I
difference
was
between them.
wondering, yeah, what is the difference between their work and your work?
Yeah, that's what, like we follow according to the Google guidelines, and we use advanced equipment. So that's the difference, like for them. And
Depends on the quality, depends on the services.
The quality service, how fastly we will give you the service, and the quality exactly. Each and every frame, you can see the difference between other virtual tours and our virtual tours. How, if you zoom it or enlarge it, like how far it is, it will, you can see and see it.
Okay, okay. And let's say if some hospital they have uh, they want to they have already created virtual tour for themselves. Now they want to create a new one or they want to update it, particularly the hospitals which have done some renovation work, or maybe they
Yeah.
have started new facility. So
Yeah.
what can be done in that case?
So for coming to renovation aspect, if they are renovating like on the basic minimal charges point of view, we'll charge only travel and stay, and we do the entire shoot. I mean, not entire shoot, wherever the renovation happened for free at no additional cost. But coming to expansion, like if they are starting another block or another department or another floor, then they need to pay accordingly the square feet according to the charges. But coming to renovation point of view, only the basic minimal travel and stay cost we will do for free. The entirely like how big the area is, how big the renovation is, we will do it for free.
So enabling this kind of feature, is this one-time cost or it is recurring cost? Like they have to pay?
No, exactly. It's a one-time cost. You pay one time, that's it. There is lifelong. It will be free. For the and in your social media profiles or in your website or in Google Maps, it will show for free for one time. There is no recurring cost, nothing.
Okay, okay. And is there any way to track the performance of the profile, like how the profile is performing before and after this virtual tour?
Yes, Google will give you dashboard from the hospital point of view. There you can see how many people are visiting the profile previously and after, how many people are directing, how many calls you're getting, how many messages we are getting. Apart from that, we can track from our end how many people are visiting 360-degree virtual tour also. With number to numbers, like exactly the numbers will come. If any hospital or if any clinic wants to data, and we will send it accordingly, like whenever, how frequently, every 6 months or every 1 year, how many people are visiting 360-degree hospital, we will send it to them. And even every hospital, they have Google dashboard, professional dashboard. They can see from their end as well. The difference between before and after in the analytics. There is a separate option called analytics. There you can see exactly how people are seeing, how many people, how frequently are seeing, how many people are seeing also.
Okay, okay. And what about, is there any impact of this feature on the local SEO? Will that profile ranking will improve with this feature?
Yes, 100%. Because Google will give certain features to the customers or to the businesses. If they use it, Google will push for sure. Google has created this virtual tour for a purpose. So definitely whoever takes this, it will help in the local rankings as well for the SEO point of view.
Okay, great, great. So doctors, I think you understand this, that with this feature, your profile will rank higher. Patients are going to find your profile more likely. And Subhashish, can you tell, can you tag any particular hotspots or any particular areas within that premises, hospital or clinic? Can you tag some particular areas?
So exactly, we have to take advanced virtual tours for that. In Google Maps, it will not show. Not only we, in the entire world, it will not show in the Google Map 360. No pop-ups or like no hotspots. But we need to use third-party services. The third-party services we'll use in the website. We can, you see, there we can include each and every hotspot according to the according to the hospital suggested. If they want, this is a dean room or this is a hospital room, and the hospital, who is the doctor, what are the designations of the doctor, and this is a MRI room, MRI, CT, or what is the technology, 3 Tesla or 2.5 Tesla or 1.1 Tesla. This CT scan machine, like what is this equipment, like X-ray room or canteen, what is the facilities, each and every pop-ups, we can add that hotspots in that advanced virtual tour.
Okay, so this is something additional feature to the base virtual
Exactly.
tour. This is something
Yes,
additional.
advanced. Yes, advanced.
Okay.
But in the Google Maps, no one will show. Like even Google is not supported as of now for the 360 hotspots in the Google Virtual Tour 360 in the Google Maps version. But we can use third parties, and in the websites we can use it. Further, like there is an extra cost, additional cost will be happen for advanced virtual tour.
Okay.
Even now recently, like AI has come into picture. Even the doctor also can speak like, "Hi, welcome to the clinic." This kind of things is also there. Like even the doctor pop up like 3D image will come. Doctor will speak. This is president, CEO's message or dean's message. Like that, they can speak in the 360 virtual tour advanced.
And so this cost, the cost you mentioned, it is going to be recurring, or that cost will be again one-time cost? That additional.
No, one time cost. No need to pay each and every time. It's only lifetime. One time you will pay. That's it. There is no recurring cost or nothing. Only one time. That's it.
No annual charges, no subscription.
No annual charges, no maintenance, no subscriptions, nothing.
Okay, okay. And let's say some doctor, they want to start this feature, or they want to get this facility for their clinic, hospital, or diagnostic lab, and they are looking for this kind of service provider. So how somebody should select with whom they should work? What factors
Exactly.
they need
You
to
can
consider?
see their previous shoots, how the quality is, how fastly they are giving it, how their social medias, how they are approaching. Check their websites, speak to them, check their customer testimonials. Like previously, the doctors or hospitals, how they are giving, how fast they are giving, how much quality is giving. Based on that, they can judge like accordingly whom to choose.
Okay. So, well, let's say once any healthcare business, they integrate this feature into their Google business profile. So after that, does it go for some Google verification, or it is
No, we
directly approved?
yeah, Google will see like before as I told you, blood marks or any other thing, Google will see. Now AI will see, or else like based on that manually the Google employees also will see. So after verification only Google will upload it.
Okay. So, Subhashish, you and your team is also working on this feature. So, how do you provide this service, and what are the typical deliverables to the customer?
Okay. So main 360-degree virtual tour is the main service. And apart from that, we are giving Google Maps optimization as an additional bonus. We do end-to-end optimization in Google Maps for free. There are some 40-50 checklist points also will be there, like what is the primary category of the hospital. There are 10 categories we can add in clinic or hospitals for the Google Maps. What are the 9 other secondary categories? We do review management, giving a proper response to the additional reviews. We'll give a QR code link to the reviews, like patients can scan directly and give their reviews. And whatever you are posting in Facebook, Insta, we can post in Google Maps also as a Google updates. And what are the attributes in the Google Maps? Are there any Wi-Fi? Is there washrooms are there? Will they accept NFC cards, or like what card? And what are the frequently asked questions in the hospital? How much time it will be there? Like people are spending on the hospital. Photos, videos, and the timings of the business, messages, website, direct appointment for the hospital to take appointment. So there are 40-50 checklist points. We do entire Google Maps optimization, and we do social media optimization as well as an additional services. And apart from that, we give HD images of the entire hospital, 360-degree tour as a complimentary, and Google Maps optimization as well. Apart from that, if the clinic wants, we do cinematic videos and drone videos as well. They can add into their social media and to their websites as well. And apart from that, we do social media management as well. Like we shoot the reels or whatever the Instagram, handled by Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, entire end-to-end optimization of social media as well.
Subhashish, do you have any case studies or examples, particularly for any healthcare facilities, hospitals, that you can share?
Yeah, we have done Andhra Hospital in Vijayawada. That is one of the Vizag. That is one of the biggest hospital. We'll send you the link. Like you can see the entire 360-degree of the entire Andhra hospitals. What are the facilities they have? Where to enter? Which floor? What are the facilities are there? Where is the doctor's room? Where is the pharmacy? Where is the canteen? Each and everything they can see. Andhra Hospital, Vizag. Lotus hospitals. We have done many hospitals, but one of the major, Andhra Hospital. You can see.
So, is there any way you can show it on the screen now?
once
How it
we are in
looks?
the mobile right now. Can you open in the screen? I'll guide you.
Okay, okay. Let me just share my screen.
Yeah.
Tell me. Tell me.
Go to Google Maps. Go to Google Maps.
Okay, Google Maps.
Andhra Hospitals. Search Andhra Hospitals. Vizag. We have shared you in WhatsApp. Can you check your WhatsApp once? Directly, it will take the click.
Share my screen. Yeah. Is this the profile?
Not yet visible. Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay. Is this the profile?
Yes.
Okay. Where I need to go?
Go to photos once. Come down. Yeah. Photos only.
Here?
Yeah. Swipe down, swipe right side.
This one?
Can you see able? Yeah, that's 360 degrees.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second one.
So
Second panel. Can you select second one? Can you select the second one?
this one.
Yeah, this is the entrance. So you can see like
Floor wise only.
the right side. You can see the floor wise: first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor.
Okay, here.
You can click on to
Yeah.
that, and it will
Yeah,
take you to the inside.
Yeah, I can see it's giving multi-level.
Yeah. So each and every frame of the hospital, we can take it out. Is there any emergency? Emergency room is there, like emergency entry? What are the facilities in the hospital? So
You can see here that you have taken images inside the floor.
exactly.
Now the patient can see all the facilities in real time.
Yes.
Even
Yeah.
before they go to the hospital.
Exactly. A wheelchair accessibility, lift is there, or steps are there, emergency, like so each and every. You can see the advanced equipments available. AC rooms are there, normal rooms, a waiting area for patients.
So doctors, I think this feature is definitely going to help your hospital or your facility because I can see it's increasing the transparency and the patient
Exactly.
can increase the trust factor in you. So this is definitely going to be helpful. And you can see even they have done shooting at the ward level. They can showcase your room. It is far more interesting than having a simple images. So that's very nice.
How the interiors is, like the ambience of the hospital.
Yeah, you can show the cleanliness of the hospital and whole facility.
Can you go to fourth floor? You can see the operation theater room as well.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the operation room. This is amazing. This is very interesting. I think patient will definitely like to visit this kind of hospital.
The conversion of the patient will be more like after seeing this visual. So in that aspect, it would be very helpful.
So thank you, Subhashish. I think this was very useful for the doctors and hospitals, and they can definitely look into this. So if you have any questions or any concerns, You can ask your questions in the comment section below. And if you are going to integrate this kind of feature, you can definitely get in touch with us. I'll provide the link and the contact details below this video in the description section and the comment section of this video. So please get in touch with us and integrate this feature in your hospital, clinic, and grow your hospital business or any healthcare business. So you can take your simple Google business profile to next level just by adding this one simple feature. So I hope you liked today's session and today's video, and I hope you found this information very useful. So if you are looking forward to work with Subhashish and his team, please check the contact form below, and we'll get in touch with you. So that's all for now. Bye bye. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank